keep working, people. Are we getting there?
Okay, good. Put the village behind her.
Give me some flames. How about some screaming?
Screaming's good.
Some sound of screaming. Oh, you know, it might be good is ooh-ah sirens.
What the hell is ooh-ah?
You know, ooh-ah, ooh-ah, Anne Frank.
Oh, okay. That's good, yeah.
Find us the Anne Frank sirens.
Oh, that's chilling. Good. That gives me goosebumps.
Find us the ooh-ahs.
Hello? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, we're gonna be back in Washington when?
We'll be back tonight.
Tonight is... It seems that Senator Neal has discovered some...
Well, it makes no difference about Senator Neal. I don't care what Senator Neal's got. We got a war.
Look at that girl. Doesn't she look Albanian? She looks like she was born and raised in Albania.
Mm-hmm.
Got an instinct for casting. Don't ask me why. Okay, we're gonna do it again, sweetie. What's her name? Stacy?
Tracy.
Tracy. One more time, Tracy. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Could she be running across a bridge? She's running across a burning bridge.
That was good.
That's beautiful.
Of course, we'll need some water.
Oh, is it a stream?
No, I think,
A pond?
No, I think it's a calico kitten. She's running across with the kitten. Can we have a calico kitten, please? Floyd, punch in a calico kitten. I have 19 screens here. I can't see one calico kitten.
The thinking is, as of this moment, a small calico kitten, sir.
Calico kitten.
Okay.
There it is. We have a small calico kitten, sir. Calico.
What?
The president wants a white one.
He wants a white one. A white? Let me talk to him.
He's mobilizing the 6th Fleet.
Connie, can I please talk to him?
He's mobilizing the 6th Fleet.
Boy, I hate it when they start to meddle.
Sir.
Can we have a white one, please? He wants a white one.
Thank you.
Are we ready yet?
How soon do you think we'll be able to get this cut?
Oh, we're going to be done in about 4 or 5 hours.
Oh, that's good. We can link that to the press. They can downlink it on Telstar 401 Transporter 21.
Makes you glad you've lived this long.
And this just in, a Newsbreak special report from the Albanian front. We've just received information that the young Albanian national fleeing in this video is attempting to escape terrorist reprisals in her village. America has seldom witnessed a more poignant picture of the human race than that which armed conflict
Fantastic. Great.
That was good?
They use the same process with the last Schwarzenegger movie.
Fantastic.
Isn't that amazing how they do
It's-
that? And you know
Yeah.
what? Conrad, this is only the beginning. Where do we get the song? Then you have the song, the image, the merchandising tie-ins, you know? This is only the beginning.
We were right.
Ah,
You're the man.
you're the man.
To the beginning.
Beginning.
Great beginning.